crafty friends. I have a few little project shares for you, and the first one being is this really super cute bat french fry box, and I thought it was really fun to make. And the file for this comes from myscrapchick.com, and also the next couple items that I'll be showing you comes from the same website. So the person who got me addicted to these SVG files is actually Robin Pitts, Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs here on YouTube. And I used to have a love-hate relationship with my Cricut, and finally I dusted it off, got it back out because Robin's like, you can do this, girl, you can do it. Anyway, I don't know if it's because of their new updates that Cricut has done, but now my Cricut seems to be cutting pretty smoothly. Every once in a while, I might have a little hiccup here and there, but other than that, it's been doing really awesome. And these files were really easy to upload into Cricut. So anyway, guys, if I can do this, you can do this. Okay, so just letting you know. So first of all, I love how this little French fry box comes with a little moon. It has the two little bats, and of course it has a little googly eye bat on the front. Now, this little piece actually comes from another one of the cut files, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But I absolutely love how My Scrap Chick has the layering file so that I don't have to figure out the layering myself. Honestly, I don't really have time for that, so I thought it was really awesome that she has this in here. And actually, here is one without all the little stuffing inside. So look, it has a lot of room in there. Definitely. I used a lot of pop dots on this, by the way, from the Dollar Tree. Love those. And then my next little piece right here is the Boo chip bag, and aren't these stinking cute? So first of all, I really love how she has lots of layers here, including the Boo. She has the little ghosties and even the little part to put the little eyes on the background. So that's really awesome. I love how she has it make it look really like an actual chip bag, and that you have this little window that you can actually see what's inside of here. So I just added some, Laffy Taffy and Ring Pops and, the Crybaby gum, and also this little googly eye from the Dollar Tree. So I thought this turned out really cute. And again, see this little piece right here? This is the one that I actually used on my little bat as well. I just did it in rose gold foil. So the next one right here is one of my favorites. And first of all, it is my favorite because it has the little dripping letters, and also it has the spooky little monster eyes. Isn't that cute? And then also it has the little dripping frame pieces. So she has 1, 2, 3 layers of this, 3 layers of that. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Again, she has the little cutouts to make it look more like a chip bag. And I will say the only thing that is not from her store is this little bow piece right here. And of course, a little Jemmy. But this actually is from Cricut themselves. So the last thing I knew, they were free, but I did sign up for the monthly membership. So I don't know if it's still on sale. But if you are a part of their little monthly membership, then this file is in there, as well as a double bow. So I just wanted to share these with you really quick. I didn't do a tutorial on this because Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs here on YouTube already has those tutorials, and I will put those links down below, and I'll also put the links down to myscrapchick.com store, as well as these little chip bags and the little bat fry boxes. And by the way, she has these files on sale for $1, so you definitely want to go check it out. Now, there was another one. There's actually 2 more, but I had purchased another one that says Eek, and again, it had the really cute dripping letters. I just haven't had a chance to make that one yet, but once I do, I will share that with you. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to check out Robin Pitts, and I will have all of the links down below. Hope you have a great day. Bye.